You've probably seen Claude mentioned somewhere, a post about Claude Skills, Claude Design, Claude Cowork, and you weren't quite sure what it meant. Or maybe you're already using it and finding it to be a slightly better version of ChatGPT. Or maybe you haven't touched it yet, but keep hearing how good it is and how you should give it a try. Wherever you're starting from, this playlist is for you. We use Claude every day as part of our business, and we encourage our clients to do the same. This playlist isn't us guessing what might work or screaming about the latest new features. We're documenting what's actually worked for us and our clients. The playlist is built to go in order, the basics first, then we move on to specific things like Claude Cowork, Claude Skills, Claude Design, that really change how you work day to day. And we'll keep adding to this playlist as we keep finding new ways of using Claude ourselves. If you're new to this, start at the top of this playlist. But if you already know roughly where you sit, feel free to skip through to anything that's relevant to you. And if there's anything else you'd like us to cover, just drop a comment in this video. We're always open to new ideas.